Haudenosaunee. And that just means people of the Longhouse. Now the Haudenosaunee people, we have 6 different nations that make up our confederation. I'd like you guys to say them with me. They are the Seneca, Cayuga, Onondaga, Oneida, Mohawk, Tuscarora. Those are the 6 nations that make up the Haudenosaunee Confederacy, or sometimes referred to as the Iroquois nations. Now we got a set of social dances that were given to us by the Creator for His enjoyment. As He watches over us, He wants to see that we're enjoying each other's company in a positive way. So we go to see songs and dances to do so. But we also got some of our songs and dances through trade. If we went on a hunting mission or a trade mission and we met up with other First Nations people, we would exchange songs, dances, and ideas. And one of the songs that made it back to us is called the Cherokee Stomp Dance. Can you guys say Cherokee? Cherokee. We met up with those Cherokee people right around the North Carolina and South Carolina areas, and they're doing this stomp dance to create good medicine. Now the medicine that I'm talking about isn't the medicine that you take by mouth or that you put on your skin. The good medicine that I'm talking about is that good energy. Now you guys are a little bit older, so have you guys ever heard of laughter's the best medicine?
Yeah.
So you guys know when you guys go visit somebody in a hospital, you try to make them laugh because that good energy inside is very healing to everybody, not just First Nations people. But First Nations people, we call that good medicine or good energy. Now this stomp dance is a call and response type of dance, which means I'm going to make the first call by myself, and I need all of you guys to respond nice and loud with Leland. Can you guys do that? Yes. Does it sound very convincing? Yes. Now the first call I'm going to make sounds like this. I'm going to say, hooray, and the response to that will be, Iona. Can you guys say Iona on a count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Iona. Very good. Now pay close attention how Leland is responding, and as you guys catch on, I want you to respond nice and loud. Hooray, Iona. Hooray, Iona.
Iona.
Or we're ending the song completely. Now the dance step that goes along with those calls and responses is super, super easy. All you do is you get in a single file line, keep your feet in time with the rattle, and when the rattle shakes back, you turn sideways. And then you continue stomping and doing those calls. So what I need is some brave, talented individuals that will help me demonstrate this dance. Don't everybody put your hands up at once. It's hard to pick you all out. Alrighty, we're gonna go with this young man right here. Come on up. Right here. Come on up. Right there. Yes, sir. Come on up. Don't make me come out into the audience to get you. Wow. How old are you guys? Don't all answer at once. All right, so I'm going to have to go out to the audience and then I will send you over to see Mr. Reddy. This is going to be very, very embarrassing for some individuals that do not want to come up. You're my tech girl. You can't go. You got to stay there. Right here. Yes.